Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best dash cams on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 9. Nexar Beam. If you're looking for something that offers crisp video footage, a discreet and compact design, all for a low price, then the Nexar Beam GPS dash cam might be the one for you. Not only is it a solid and affordable dash cam, it also comes with unlimited access to Nexar's cloud storage platform, so you don't need to worry about preserving your footage after an incident. The companion app isn't great, and it can be tricky to access your cloud space at first. But as imperfect as it might be, the Nexar Beam is still a sold choice that does everything you need out of a dash cam. Number 8. Car and Driver Road Patrol Touch Duo. A solid mid-range effort car and driver, with an impressive array of features and an OLED touchscreen, a rare sight on dash cams in general, especially at this price. There's also a flexible camera setup, and the ability to record crisp, clear footage in full HD resolution. Some of the features don't work as well as they could, and the camera itself feels rather flimsy, while the Patrol Touch Duo misses crucial features like GPS and Wi-Fi. Still, if you need a dual-view camera with solid video quality and all the staple dash cam features, this is worth your consideration. Number 7. Vantrue S1 Dash Cam. While it isn't perfect by any means, the Vantrue S1 offers a relatively affordable dual-view dash cam setup, with solid video recording capabilities. Daytime video recordings are clear and detailed without any coloring issues, and while fuzzier nighttime footage is pretty commendable. While there are several things we'd change about the Vantrue S1, including certain design features and the lack of more advanced features, all the important things are there. Solid video and audio, GPS, incident detection, and a 24/7 parking guard. Likewise, the menu system is an absolute breeze to use, and features a number of context-sensitive buttons. Number 6. Kenwood DRV-A301W. With a strong design and up to 1080p resolution, the Kenwood DRV-A301W makes a strong case for being the dash cam for your car. Not only can it automatically detect collisions and record footage for safekeeping, it also features a prominent display and onboard GPS to log your speed and location at the time. Better still, the Kenwood Dash Cam Manager is one of our favorite dash cam companion apps. Not only can you connect via a local wireless network to view your saved footage, you can also see a live view of what the camera sees on your screen. Recorded video is also of good quality, though the audio can be a little choppy at times. Number 5. Vantrue N2 Pro. If you'd rather save the hassle of having two dash cam modules to cover your front and rear, the Vantrue N2 Pro might be a sold option for you. Not only does it feature an additional lens to cover your rear, it lets you adjust the angle of that lens to better suit the interior of your car. The overall footage isn't the best quality, with some graininess and lens flare. You'll still end up with crisp, clear videos to keep tabs on what's happening on the roads around you. Of course, it's missing a lot of important things, like wireless connectivity of any kind, which will make accessing your videos a little bit more difficult. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Don't be fooled by its size. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 packs an awfully powerful punch for something so tiny. It may not have features like a display or GPS, but it does produce great image quality and has voice controls in case you need the camera to do something mid-drive. Plus, like other recent Garmin dash cams, it can smarten up your car with features like forward collision warning, lane departure warnings, speed camera and stoplight notifications, and more. And there's the Garmin Vault, a cloud storage that automatically stores all your recordings in the cloud for safekeeping. But the biggest strength is its design. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is so dinky you probably won't even notice it on your windscreen. Which means far fewer distractions when you drive. Number 3. Nextbase 320XR Dash Cam. Experienced dash cammers might mourn the lack of advanced features or 2K recording, but the Nextbase 320XR makes for a great, no-frills dual camera solution that undercuts many rivals in its class. Image quality, while not perfect, is more than capable, and its compact, subtle design makes it adaptable for most vehicle needs. If you're after a reliable, affordable double camera system without the ostentatious box of tricks, and this one solidly fits the bill. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 57. If you're looking for solid features at a less stomach-churning price, there's Garmin's Dash Cam 57. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 packs in all the usual dash cam features, as well as a few more that enhance your recording capabilities and smarten up your car in the process. If you don't have a newer car with driver assistance features, this is where the Garmin 57 shines. It packs in a number of safety features including forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and alerts when you're coming up to stoplights and speed cameras. It'll also tell you when you're too absent-minded to notice traffic has started moving. The Garmin 57 also packs in a parking guard, a live view, and an automatic cloud backup that securely stores your recording in the cloud for safekeeping. Tie that in with voice controls, built-in GPS and 1440p video resolution, and you should be able to record all the important details should the worst ever happen. Number 1. Nextbase 622GB. If you have money to burn, then the Nextbase 622GB has all the features you could ever want from a dash cam, and more. The design certainly won't set the world on fire, but it has an unparalleled feature set that offers some of the best video quality of any dash cam currently on the market. The 622GB can record video in 4K 120 frames per second, built-in image stabilization to ensure you have silky smooth recordings, an extreme weather mode, and a polarizing filter that will minimize reflections that would otherwise spoil your film. But on top of that, it also packs in Alexa voice controls, enhanced night vision, a parking mode that senses collisions when you're parked up, and an emergency SOS service that contacts first responders in the event that the driver is unable to do it themselves. What 3 words integration also ensures they know exactly where you are, down to a 3-meter area. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.